guys and welcome to Arian's Toys Review. Today we're going to make boat from paper.
Yeah,
just like this one.
Yeah, we just make them.
We just made them, but we need to make for you guys.
Yeah.
So you ready, Arian? Let's choose a paper first. So what color you want?
Green.
Paper.
Green, color green. I like the color green.
There you go.
Where's the scissors?
So I'll help you with the cutting, okay? So what I'm gonna choose is I'm gonna choose the color
Yellow. I guessed it.
Yes, that's right. Okay, so first of all, you're gonna make sure that it's gonna be square shape. So we're gonna fold it in this way. So fold it in half.
Wait.
Okay, so let me help you. So you're gonna make sure you're gonna fold it into half, just like that.
It looks like a fin.
Looks thin. Okay, so now we're gonna make sure Ariane, we're gonna need to cut this part here.
Okay, cut.
So we're gonna have to fold this side here first. And then fold it like this. And we're gonna need to cut alongside here. Just like that.
Wait, what are you doing?
Let me see your one. Okay, so we got a gap here. Make sure there's no gap.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna need to cut along here. So for this to cut, we don't need
Scissors?
we actually can use our hands. We don't need scissors. Okay, so just like that. So you hold it from there. And I'm gonna tear it with hand from here.
Tear it?
Yeah, just tear it like that. There we go. Okay.
A square box.
Yeah, so you want it square, yeah? So it's my turn now. So I'm gonna cut it from here.
A triangle?
Yeah. So cut. Wait for me. So we cut from here. There you go. So this one is square shape. So what you need to do? Make sure you open it now. Okay, and then fold it into half this way. So make sure this can be rectangle, just like that. So let me help you with this variant. Just like that.
Intruders.
Okay. There you go. So this is half, and then again turn it this way, and then cut it into half again. Or should I say fold it into half. Just like that, yes. 1 minute. There we go. Okay.
No.
Now that we've done into square shape again, we're gonna take out the first page. Take out the first page. And then fold it backwards.
Like this?
Yeah, so this is the first page.
Yeah.
Fold it into. Yes, okay.
And then
we got this one folded. Now we're gonna turn it backwards, and then you're gonna take 1, 2, 3. Fold it backward, just like that. So you're gonna count 1,
2,
and 3. Yeah.
Yeah.
Fold it this way.
What?
Okay. So it's this way, it's like that.
A triangle. A
triangle. Now we're gonna need to do is we're gonna look inside. Look into here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look into here. This way here, and then pull it backward. And there we go. So it's just like that. So it was this shape before, and You open it from middle
How you
and
do it?
fold it this way,
How
okay?
you do it?
So, because it was here like this before,
Yeah.
now put your finger here. We're gonna put the finger here,
Uh-huh.
and then fold it this way. You're gonna pull it out, and then fold it this way.
Okay.
Okay. Now, as we're almost ready, we're gonna open the both sides here, and there we go. Now it's turning into
A boat.
a boat. There we go. Let me see your one. Well done, Arian. Good job.
Wait, trying to.
Wait a second. There we go. Can you help me with this one, Arian? So you're gonna make sure you're gonna press it, so make sure it's gonna comes out nicely. There you go, guys. So
Boat.
there's the boats we made today. So just like that. There we go. 5. Well done, Arian. Good job. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.